Hey, it's Bart from QB Tech, and I have a question for you. Would you, in 21st century, wash your laundry by hand? Well, I'm pretty sure the answer is no, because that's a waste of time. In that hour that you would have spent washing your laundry, you can probably use it for more productive things. You can use it on extra work, you can use it on extra time to spend with your family and friends, you can spend that time on your hobbies and so on. And that's basically the idea of technology and of innovation. It's supposed to help us develop a way of life that allows us to get more time to use it for things that we actually enjoy, that we need to do, and are more beneficial for us. And the same goes for automation and digitization. Like right now, if you look at any marketing, everybody's going online and they're trying to reach people on the internet. They are trying to promote their business in the internet, and that's what you should be doing, because that's more efficient. You have more people using internet than ever before. You have more people buying online than ever before. So that's the way to go. Your business should be online, and that's why I support that, and that's why with QB Tech I want to help businesses move online. Same goes for automation. The processes that take time, that are very repetitive and mundane, they can be automated. And that's another thing that we do at QB Tech, because that helps you move to more creative things. That helps you spend more time with your clients and personalize their experience, and it also helps you get more time for yourself. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to share my view on what digitization and automation is, and a bit of a hint as well, obviously, to what we do. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon.